The AlaxoStent is delivered together with all accessories in a box. The nitinol braid is the so-called stent, which is introduced through a nasal passage into the throat. With its widened section, it splints the airway in the throat. For introduction, the stent is connected to the pusher by the clip lock, and then the other end of the pusher is fully inserted into the curved end of the introduction tube. Then, using the pusher, the stent is fully pulled into the introduction tube so that it is completely compressed. The introduction tube then is advanced through the nasal passage into the throat. When the target position has been reached, the pusher is fixed with one hand and the introduction tube is slowly pulled back with the other hand. Thereby the stent is released and self-expands in the throat. The introduction tube is fully retracted and then the pusher disconnected. Application of the AlaxoStent is a simple procedure for the patient. When inserted into the nostril, the tube is slowly advanced along the turbinates to the velopharynx. Here it is positioned either at the uvula or, if necessary, further down at the upper tongue base. The introduction tube is pulled back and the stent released, as you can easily see here. The opening force of the stent prevents collapse of the pharyngeal airway. This includes obstructions at the soft palate and at the tongue base level. When retracting the stent, splinting of the soft palate and the uvula becomes visible. This splinting also leads to reduction or complete prevention of snoring. The vibrations of the soft palate, the uvula, and the throat muscles lead to the snoring noise. These vibrations are significantly reduced or fully avoided due to the mechanical splinting by the AlaxoStent. Removal of the stent from the nose is very easy. It is simply slowly retracted. Subsequently, the stent is cleaned for its next use. After removal of the stent, it is cleaned under flowing lukewarm water for removal of adhering mucus. Then the stent is cautiously pushed over the cleaning tube. This allows mechanical cleaning in longitudinal direction under flowing water. Further, the stent can easily be checked for intactness of the rounded wire ends. For removal of the stent from the cleaning tube, please do not pull, as the stent then compresses. Instead, push. As the third step, the stent is sprayed with a cleaning spray. Please let act for 1 minute and then wash off with flowing water. Finally, the stent is sprayed again and let dry the cleaning solution.